This is the digital photo frame. Unboxing. Including the package is a user manual, remote control, outlet adapter, bracket, power adapter, here's another outlet adapter, and the photo frame. Here's the back end. Here's where you insert the SD card, USB, plug in, and everything. Here's the front of the photo frame. So here we have the SD card slot. So to insert play video, music, and photos, earphone jack, insert to listen to audio, USB 2.0, insert to access data, and mini USB, insert to access data. And we have the power input, which plug in for power. This is the back end, and so you just have your on-off switch, turn on, off the device. You have your control buttons, play volume, up, down. Then you have your menu, select, and then you have your bracket holes. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to change the power adapters. So you just insert it, slide it in, and to remove it, just push the push button. You do this with all three adapters. So here I'm just going to demonstrate how to use the device and show quickly the settings. Here we have, I'm using the controller. You could do previous, play, next, rotate, and zoom. So you could just zoom in. Here's the time and the calendar part of the frame. So next is the settings, and it's like the language, the slideshow time, slideshow mode, slideshow order. There's different aspects of the slideshow you can manipulate throughout the settings. Now in the power management, it sends you to a different screen, so you get the brightness, contrast, saturation, alarm, power off, power on. Here's the screen where you can access like the movies, music, different medias, photos. Here's the music and the file, photos. Here's the file option, and so you could have all your medias in one area and you can look at it. You also can select it. Next, I'm going to do an audio and video test of the frame. This is the video baby monitor unboxing. I just want to mention the item comes in a nice package. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.